ito yung masasabi ko for my dad. My father gave me the greatest gift anyone could give to another person. He believed in me. This is true for everyone in this room. Not only for myself, Daddy believed in each and every one of us. He kept on encouraging me to be strong because I know he knows I am weak. But he never believed that. He pushed me to be a good person inside and out. What I truly remembered was the time he said that I should quit smoking. I've been a chronic smoker for 13 years and I saw my father na nahirapan dahil sa sakit na yon na dinulot ng paninigarilyo, which is emphysema. On Christmas Eve, tinawag niya ako. Sabi niya, anak, pag nagkasakit ka ng katulad ng sa akin, mas gugustuhin mo pang mamatay sa hirap. Kaya habang maaga pa, itigil mo na yan. He said that to me with a teary eye. So on December 26, kinabukasan, I did quit smoking cold turkey. Binigla ko. And I will continue to live on to his legacy to advocate a campaign saying no to smoking. Looking back, when I was still a child, people always said that I look like him. And I'm proud of it. They also said that I'm his favorite. Siguro kasi dahil kamukha ko siya. And this is also applied to my daughter, Mikey. Nakamukhang kamukha rin ni Daddy. Marami akong memory sa Daddy ko, but what stayed with me is his thoughtfulness. Mula bata pa ako, lagi ang kasalubong sa amin magkakapatid. Hanggang sa paglaki ko, paboritong candy, chocolate, or chichirya, lagi niya kaming binibili at inaalala. No words can explain how good my father was. He was patient, loving, and strong-willed man. Hanggang sa huli, ayaw niyang maging pabigat. Kaya pinaglalabanan niya ang kanyang sakit na emphysema sa kahuling-hulingan. Ayaw niyang ipakita na nahihirapan siya. Pinipilit pa rin niyang pumasok sa trabaho katulad ng isang malusog na tao. Hindi vocal si Dad, pero sobra sa actions niya pinapakita ang kanyang pagmamahal. Mula sa paghanda ng almusal namin, sa pagbili ng gamot ko, at sa pag-alaga sa aking anak. Masasabi ko na ako na nga at si Mikey ang pinaka-apektado sa pagkawala ni Dad dahil hindi kami naghiwalay. Kung nasan ako, nandun din siya. Sa lahat ng paglipat-lipat namin ng bahay, for some reason, lagi kaming tandem. Masakit para sa akin ang pagkawala ni Daddy, but I know he's in a greater place right now. No more pain, no more gasping for air, no more worrying sa mga gamot niya. He can now go on, he can now run, do all his singing in heaven. I love you so much, Daddy. You will never be forgotten and forever in my heart till we meet again.